so welcome back to another video in the Subaru again today. I just done a couple of checks, made sure the cooler and oil levels are all good. We're going to be heading over to Taran's house today. We're going to get the car cleaned, do a proper detailed kind of wash on it. As you guys know, if you've been following the build, this car is very dirty, and yes, we are on the new camera again today, so yeah, we'll just see how it goes. The Subaru needs a full clean today. It's as I bought it. Wheels have been changed, but all the interior and stuff I have stripped it out just before I came. It's like moss growing everywhere, even around the door handles or wherever. I might take this Subaru badge off, give it a nice clean look. But if you look around the spoiler, there's a lot of stuff to be done. Interior, I've left the driver's seat. I might take it out as well, because the seats at the moment are very dirty. Stripped out race car at the moment. We're hoping it doesn't rain, so at least we can get some work done today. I think there's water in this boot. You can hear something in there. I don't know if it's in the spoiler. That's definitely water in there. But in terms of what random stuff there's in the boot floor, there's some weird inflatable ring pool. Yeah, this is all the stuff from when I bought the car, so yeah, none of this stuff is mine. It's actually got a space saver wheel, which is pretty cool. Got the arches again. I've pushed the trims back, but all of this straight through is gonna get a clean. Right folks, so we're here with Taran. You guys remember he cleaned the GTI. Yeah, what's the plan today?
We'll give it a full deep clean, get all this little bit of mould and rubbish out.
Yeah.
Get rid of all the dirt around the boot.
Yep.
Give the wheels a good clean and do the interior.
It's just got dirt like ingrained everywhere. I don't know where it was sitting, which is, it's weird because the car has had repairs, but which you'd assume it would have been in a workshop or something and had a clean, but then it's got all this other crap just everywhere. But that's the plan for today anyway. So what we're going to do first?
We'll start with the outside first.
Okay.
Give it a full pre-wash.
Yep.
Get as much dirt off, and then we'll give it a chemical decontamination.
Yep.
And then we'll give it a bucket wash and see what we can do with it.
Sound. We'll do a bunch of time lapses and slow-mos and stuff like that. I want to test this new camera out. So we've got the interior over here. I'll just pull it out. You can see the condition of it. It doesn't look too bad from far, but when you look up close, this is supposed to be white or kind of a light grey. The plan is we're going to use like a wet vacuum or something. I don't know, Taran's got all this stuff. The state of these door handles, man. Got all of this stuff out here. It's going to get painted soon. I'm not leaving this arch like this. It'd be a strange thing to do. Got some overspray over there, but it shouldn't matter. Thinking of doing the STI rear lights as well. It would tidy up. Yeah, Taran's got a new car now as well. This guy's Leon. He had the Type R before. What is it at the moment? KO3 stage 2?
Stage 2, yeah. Same
Miltech as mine. BBS alloys, big brakes as well. And it's going to be KO4 soon as well. So that's the way to go, man. With the Miltech, the KO4 sounds crazy, man.
Yeah.
Has a different kind of bark to it. It's got these different lights as well.
Yeah, custom made they were.
Right, so we got the pre-wash on. It's just going to soak for a bit. Already looks about 10 times cleaner. You can see the blue coming through. I did shine like a torch on there the other day, and you can see kind of like a flake in there. It is quite nice. But I think the best thing would be when this is all done. I'm thinking to get these lower bits body colored as well. We have got the side skirts over here. These are actually meant to go like that over there. So let us know in the comments if you think we should put these back on. They need me to drill that side sill now because it's been welded, or we could just leave it off like a Type R and just go for full no side skirts, no rear thing, and no splitter as well. You can like a rally look then. So another GCA is turned up. It's like a Subaru meetup now.
Just put in all the embedded rubbish out the paint really.
Okay.
Let that soak for a bit and then wash it off.
It's probably going to be a fair amount of that stuff on this. All under here as well. There's water in the spoiler as well. You know, I was moving the boot before.
Is there a hole in there?
I don't know.
See all, putting all the purple.
Yeah. Taran's got all this professional stuff with him. So on here, it's obviously blue. You can't really see it, but it's everywhere. But here you can see that's the sort of stuff. This is all basically prep before we even do a snow foam.
Yeah, you're just pulling out most of the rubbish off as much as possible.
Yeah.
And then the snow foam literally pulling off even more before a contact wash, but it also clears off all the chemicals on there anyway. So
but yeah, we'll just wait for this to do what it's going to do, and then we'll get to the next part. What's your thoughts so far then, Taran, compared to GTI? Is it more, it's more dirty, isn't it?
A bit more dirty, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not too bad, to be fair.
The engine behind the GTI is probably the worst thing. This one, I think it's just the gaps. There's just loads of dirt in all the...
Yeah.
Where all the stuff is in here and everything. So all the pre-work that's been done into the wash beforehand hopefully will help with all of that. Right, so basically working on the inner bit of the boot. A lot of crap stuck in here, as you can see. It's probably got wildlife growing in here. What are we using for this then, Taran?
Just a pre-wash.
Pre-wash, cool.
It's citrus based, it will remove more stubborn stains.
So, there's the interior all taken out. I might take the driver's seat out as well whilst I'm here. Right, so whilst Taran's cracking on with this, the seat's out. I'll show you guys the Subaru in the background. It's Hodge's one here. So, hello. So he's actually a Subaru expert, so we've got plenty of stuff to talk about here. You were just saying how this one's not too bad on the inside.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, so it's all good. But yeah, this is the engine bay. So as you can see straight away, it hasn't got a top mount and a front mount conversion. Yep. But there's just so much stuff here. I'm not really, I'm not qualified to say what's here. But yeah, you might as well go for it.
It's got a massive long list of parts. It's forged pistons and rods. It's got a GTX 3076R. I don't think there's a lot that's standard on it at the moment.
The best way then.
Right. Yeah. I mean, like, obviously the obvious stuff is standard. Change the fuel rails around as well.
Okay.
My fuel comes in at number 3 because cylinder 3 always runs hot because it's right next to the turbo. So I've switched them around. I put my fuel coming in at 3, comes out the other side.
Yeah.
Got fuel pressure reg. Got new age coil packs on it.
Got Samco hoses as well. These are probably pricey on there, yeah.
Do you know what I've had to do on it? A lot of the times, there I've had to put 2 nuts on it.
Okay.
They're both of those clamps, if you look under the filter there and there.
Yep.
They just keep breaking, man. They're rubbish. It is rubbish.
I suppose it just happens with all the cars, man. You just gotta do. I mean, I suppose you've worked on loads of these, haven't you? So.
Yeah.
Little background, you were saying you break Subarus as well.
I used to, yeah. Me and my dad used to break a few of them, yeah.
And then your dad has like a genuine 555, doesn't he? Yeah, so.
Yeah, it's a Pro Drive edition.
Yeah, so it's pretty crazy.
There's only a few of them made. No one knows. Not many people know about them.
Yeah. I mean, there's just so many different versions of Impreza, like special editions. That like, and there's like, it's crazy. But yeah, this thing's a bit of a beast. It's in red as well. Got these anthracite wheels as well. I think I might go for some mud flaps soon on mine. I don't know what colour to go for, but I like the way they cut out a bit. It just makes it look a bit more rough and ready, doesn't it? Round the back, big wing of course, gotta be done. The main difference is we've got STI rear lights here, haven't we?
Yep.
So this is something that I will be looking into soon. It just makes the car a lot more fresh, doesn't it?
Yeah,
If you look at mine just there. So it's on a base map at the moment then?
Yeah, it's just on a base map at the moment. I've got to sort a few little things out, teething problems, and then I'll get it mapped.
Cool, so what are we expecting from this then?
Anything above 5 I'll be happy once I've fully finished.
Yeah, more than happy. I do above 5, but...
I'll be happy. Put and polish heads on it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time I took them out I thought I may as well just put and polish it on it.
Yeah, might as well.
It's there.
That's why he takes that engine in his spare time. Car meet at TSG Detailing. So we've got the seats lined up here now. Plan is, what we're going to do, jet wash them first, or?
No, I want to soak them in the APC.
APC?
Yeah, just all the embedded dirt, try and lift it up.
Thought it'd be easy just to take them out completely and just work on them out here, because then it allows us to vacuum underneath as well. So what I'll do, I'll just tidy some of this up, but yep, this is what it looked like under the seats. Bit of dirt, but apparently not too bad. It's just a bit of dirt, really. There's nothing weird under there, surprisingly. I thought there was going to be all sorts of stuff in here. Just found this manky STI badge. I'm guessing the guy had it over here, like that. Not a fan. Going in the bin. We've got the vacuum out now. Look at the colour how it's come out now. Huge difference. Looks so much better. Well, Taran decided to jet wash it instead because this car's about 20 years old. We thought it's best to just do that, isn't it?
Yeah. So the APC agitated and then jet washed to get rid of most of the dirt and then wet backed out.
Oh, okay. I mean, the difference is huge. Look at this. You can actually see this is light grey now. These will need to dry, but we should be alright. Right, so this is what's come out the seats. All of this junk here. So that was all what has been embedded in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to clean the interior. Right, so the interior's all been vacuumed. Just Taran's gonna go over the trim now with spray and stuff. But it is starting to rain now, so you can see at least the beading's working. What we'll do, we're just gonna sort of wrap up here. We have still got to do the engine bay, which we'll do another day. I'll just drop down again and sort of finish up this whole car then. But the biggest job's all done now. But yeah, we'll end this part of the video here. It's starting to rain now, so I don't want the gear to get wet. But yeah, I'll just see you guys in a minute once we're back at home and it's all sunny and then different day. Right, so it's the day after. It's actually dry now, so I can show you the car and it's more of its glory. So the seats are here just drying. I took them out again. Actually looks blue properly. Took this horrible STI sticker on there, the one that made it look a bit chavvy. It was a bit unlucky the way the rain just started at the end. This stuff was outside, so it got a bit drenched, but we did jet all of this off, so the initial dirt is all good. Once we get this painted, we can get it all detailed, because you can tell, even though it's clean, it's got this like marring in the paint, which is a bit strange. This, I need to get this etching out as well, but all in all, pretty good. Interior all sorted. Carpet's clean. I need to get new mats, so yeah, let me know what mats I should get. Some nice official genuine ones. I don't know what's available out there. There might be some more tougher wearing ones. Could go for some rubber ones actually with the winter and everything, but I think I'm going to leave the back seats out now because I have no use for them. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the Impreza cleaning video. It's like part one. We still got to do a lot more to it and tidy it up, but with a car this old, it doesn't take like one session to clean it all. So yeah, we're going to change the steering wheel, the gear lever, just make it a bit more tidy. But next few videos we're finally going to get to some mods, hopefully take it to a specialist as well. I'm still sorting all the dates out for all of that. The GTR's over there, still having plenty of work done. But yeah, take care guys, I'll see you in the next video.